Yan.
So, naging na sila music na. Okay, first time. No, okay. I actually choreographed this last year. But, naging ano kasi siya eh. Di ba, sorry, naging collab siya. Kinolab siya ni Noreen. Kasi gusto niya yung choreo ko, pero gusto niya kasi yung song and she wanted to have her own touch with it. So, kinolab niya. Kaso, she took the credit. Sasabi ko, pag lang sarili ko, I'm just gonna do this all over again. The vision is I belong to you. Alright? Use me, abuse me. Char! Okay, sige, let's do. Come on. So, close legs. Okay? If you're ayan. Okay. So, close legs. Still point your toes. Para mas maganda yung length niya. And then, take it off me. Yun yung sign natin. So, matatanggal tayo ng shirt. Okay? So, take it off me. Taran, taran. Taran, tan. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Hawak natin yung top natin ng 5. And then, we're going to spin it around. Yeah? Spin it around, hawak dito, and then back. Yeah. So, parang pinaglaruan si top. Okay? So, take it off me. Take it off me. Taran, taran. Taran, tan. Diba? So, yung pag-take off natin, dahan-dahan din. Hindi tayo pwede mag-struggle yun. Okay? Kailangan dahan-dahan. Take it off me. Kahit kung hindi man natin maabot the whole step with the ikot here to throw it to the side, pwede basta take it off me slowly. Tan, 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 tan. Basta yung part na yun, kung hindi naabutin, kunwari nag-struggle ng konti sa pagtanggal, alright? Okay lang na hindi na gumanito. Basta tanggal completely, and then tapo. Yun. Just in case hindi naabutin to here. Okay? So, okay. Kunwari natapon na. Alright. Natapon. Okay? Pag throw mo, look to where you threw your top. Okay? Reach for your arm. Hand on the trabia. Abutin. Reach for your arm. Hand on the trabia. As in, kailangan lang bigyan mo yung sarili mo. I am beautiful. Sa chin. Diba? Yes. So, parang you're going to adore yourself as well. So, pag throw, Yeah? Alright. Talagang landi everything. So reach, hagod sa chin, and to the face. Okay. Ito na yung steamy part. Stimulate me. Okay. Instruction. Okay. So take it off me. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Stimulate. So yung right hand, okay, left hand stays in the face. Okay. Yung right hand goes down the chest towards the center. Okay? So, pag baba ka sa crotch, slowly umu-open yan. Slowly. So, not too wide, but enough. Kunwari, you're stimulating yourself. Okay? So, tara, chin to the face, ganda ko, and then stimulating. So, ano yung feeling natin? Yung nag-iinit pag we're stimulating ourselves. Diba? So, parang init, okay, and we're stimulating. Yes, okay? But not to widen the legs because the next part, we're going to hold the chair. So, stimulate me. Yung na part na yun, hawak sa chair. Okay, tada, and then that. Okay, so stimulate me, tada, and then body weight, dalawa. 1, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So dalawang slow body weight. Pataas. So from extension, 1, 2, yes. Pagkatapos ng 2, slowly pull back. Okay? So, extend, body wave, and absorb. So, tayo mag-stop na body wave, pause, and then bring in. Gamitin natin yung body wave to slowly pull back. Let's try that. Hawak mo sa chair, and extend, body wave, and slowly bring back. Yes. So, pag-extend natin, ang head natin nataas. Para full extension. Okay? So, body wave, and bring in. Down. Okay? And up. Down and up, and then so side, okay, kikai side, belong to you. Yes, okay. So pagtaas, okay. Sorry, so extend mo na. Extend, wave, pull back, and down. Huwag all the way down para kasi baka ako para sa akin. So, down and up. Belong to you. May halo. Yes. And then walk to face the chair. Okay. So tapos yung next na you, turn around, face the chair. Okay. Hawak ulit the chair. And then sway the hips. Left and to the right. Yes. So I belong to you. Harap. You. Now. You. Yes. Okay. And then I belong to you. And then you. Okay? Wait. Sequence natin. Ulitin. So, madali na kasi from here. Tararara. Stimulate me. Papak. Papak. Tap. Wave. Wave. Pasok. Tap. 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 Ay, sorry. I belong to you. You. Yeah. You. Sit. Belong to you. You. Tapos place that. Very simple. It's very simple, but it's more on talaga. So in short, paano ka mga okay? So kailangan natin pakita yung maramdaman natin yung lyrics ng kanta. Especially, stimulate me, I belong to you, dahil I belong to you lang siya. Yun ang sinasabi niya. Okay? Then, ang palalabasin natin dyan is yung palalasapin natin yung feeling natin. So, kailangan ilabas natin yung emotion natin into the song. Alright? Sige, try natin. Okay, try muna natin yung sequence and then yung music. Sige. Let's share. Tapos kung gusto niyo magtalit, tapos ganoon din yung hair at some point, pwede rin. Basta, akitin ang sinong kailangan natin. Ikaw ang hilikaan, sinong akitin. Ano? Sinong akitin mo? Sila. May open style na rin siya. Diba? Tapos sa freestyle art, kung gusto mong gamitin yung tahon mo, Uno mo ganyan. Kaya hindi ko, tapos diba yung pag nilalandi mo sa taas.
Wala sa musta. Tatakot lang rin.
Maganda nga, mas magaling yung tanggalin. Ito ang video. Pag natagal ito, wait. Wait. Okay. Sige. So, wala kang wait. The music will start as in take it off me. So, hinga, take it off me. Tarat, tarat. Tarat, tap, 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 tap. Tarat, tarat. Stimulate me. Papak, papak. Wave, wave, pasok. Tatat, tatat. I belong to you. Harap sa chair and down and quit. I belong to you. Sabi mo, anong challenge?
Wala.
Pabibigyan pa lang kasi. Ano ka lang? Lean back lang. Lean back. Kaya maganda yung part na kasi yung slowly lean back. So don't rush on the opening of the leg. So lean back ka muna. Make sure fully supported. Taas mo to. And then you slowly open the side. So you start to bring your tuck in your knees first. Kasi mahirap pag-open. Ganun, tapos taas. Diba? So we progress through it. So lean back. Bring knees up. Open. Butterfly. And then we stretch. Yes. And then crunch. And then down. Basa. 3 chair, make love to your chair. My favorite talaga yung susok to. Favorite ko talaga. Pwede
Isa na tayo ng first.
Ha?
Bilis na yung first.
Parang pieces na. Tada! And then, hair whip. And yung last half. Down, and then hair whip, and then style. Okay? Try natin. Ang shirts.
Okay na rin yung shirt na yun.
Ah,
Na
ito? Sure. Alam mo, hinahanap ko pa talaga to. Kasi iniisip ko, alam mo naman yung mga shirt, yung mga sports shirts, pero mga sige. Ay, gusto ko wala. No. Ready? Super easy. Actually, yung last year na choreography, yung polo choreography ko na siya. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung ginawa ko. Simple din. Pero, naging complicated. Tapos, yung ending din. Mas gusto ko na talaga lasa. Pero, choreography. It's, yung alam mo sumasayaw ka. Tapos, sexy pa rin yung message. So, it's more about how you deliver the message. So, okay? Right on. Knees together. Head down. Alright, you start with the head down. And then, pag start the music, pull ka agad ng shirt. Okay? Again, don't rush ha. Kailangan take it off. Because, so you're asking him, please, alas mo na yung shirt. Ay, sige mo kasi.
Sige nga mo.
Alright, ready?
Take it away.
Try mo na ito. Imagine na. Actually, balik-balik ako sa mga Take it away. also going to shift your weight. Diba? So, I belong to yung weight nyo nandito na sa right. Para pag hair whip ninyo, naka-shift ang weight sa right, ready. The lower the hair whip, the better and the sexy. Okay? So, pag wide kasi ang stance natin dito, mas stable ang base natin. So, pag nag-lean down tayo, or pag nag-bend down tayo, tendency, hindi tayo naman. Alright? So, try to reach your ankle actually as much as possible with whip. Yep. And then go up. When you turn around to face your chair, straddle. Not those legs. Straddle. Okay? Kasi papakan yung mga kwet nyo. Straddle and then back. Okay? So while you're moving your hips, left, naka-straddle ka rin kayo. Okay? So wide back.
Thanks, Mom.
Wide back. Yes. So I want to move your hip. Okay? Left. Make a figure 8. Motion naman to see that figure 8. Sige nga, patingin. Sabay-sabay. 5, 6, 7 to the left. And right. And left. And right. Okay? So, sinasabi ko yung word na imagine. Ang dami lagi viral na success. Imagine success. Imagine mo kasi. So, basta, you have to create that figure 8. So, hindi siya mag-left and bend. Okay? May konting momentum siya to the right to make it 8. And then, yes! Yes. So, ang knees natin, hindi siya totally nag-bend all the time. So, isa-isa lang siya ang tuso. Alright? When we create that, kasi kailangan i-isolate natin yung hips natin at this part. Okay? So, nakatufod tayo, and then hips. So, nag-turn in yung tuhod. Okay? Pero hips actually ang nagda-direct ng movement mo. Hindi ang tuhod. Yes! Ganyan. Ganyan. Alright? So, I want you to isolate. Yes! Okay? Isolate your hips more rather than having your knees. Now, your knees have to stabilize para yung feet mo stable din siya. Okay? Parang tayo na slide. So, how is the chair? Alright? So, put the chair. Straddle. Okay? And then isolate your hips. Move. Figure 8. After this part, it doesn't matter which direction you start with, as long as you show that figure 8. Huwag ka masyadong mag-bend. Okay? I know you're tall. I know you're tall, which is perfect actually. Kasi when you bend over, mas makikita yan. So, don't bend too much your knees. Isolate. Parang ginagawa mo siya. Yes! Don't need to step on the knees though. Yeah. Let it flow now. Yeah, there you go. Now, habang ang nangyayari now, habang mag-move ka, slowly pumasok yung knees mo. Kapag pumasok, labas mo. Para yung stance mo still the same. Yeah, ganyan. So, see, yung stance mo still stays in here. Ito na, isolate na. Alright? Very good. Patingin natin. Yes. Go. Good. Good. I-open up mo pa yung stance. Yes. Alright, good. Yeah. Okay. Isolate ka. Smoother. Okay. And go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright. Tayo. Face tayo sa mirror. Face mirror. Straddle. Hawak sa hips. Okay. Figure 8 tayo. On here. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And let your hips move, knees bend, and stretch, and bend. Okay? Umiikot lang din si hips natin. And around, round, round, and round. Hawak in our hands in front. Okay? Figure 8 tayo on here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at yourselves in the mirror. Make sure we turn in and then out, in and then out. But not the top part. Ito lang yung not to turn in and then out. Okay? Again. Try that. Shadow and 5, 6, 7, and in and out and in and out. In. This is easier if you lean your torsos a little bit forward, okay? And that means your butt is sticking out. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Nice. 5, and 6, 7. Good. Good. Alright? So, yun lang naman yung extra kanina. You just need to make sure kasi pag-turn around yung ears, magsaligid yung legs. So, mas sexy siya na pag-turn around nyo. Kasi, hair whip kayo, diba? Turn around, straddle the chair. Kasi kunwari na nyo step. The chair, tuwag, and then figure 8, 5. And then sit down. When, ayan. So, trigger mo sitting down. Okay? From tuwag, magko-cross ang legs natin. Okay? Para mas smooth ang pagpupo. Okay? And then lean back slowly. Tuck your legs in first. And then slowly bulak-lak. Sasala-bulak. Alright? Sikot open. And back. Okay? Paghapot nyo ng kamay nyo sa katawan nyo, naka-open pa rin si legs. Okay? Back. And as your hand goes up to your head, then you close your legs, stand up. You walk to the back of the chair, habulan, and then hair whip and proceed to your freestyle. Okay? Okay. Let's try that again. Nagbibigyan
yung palabot ako sa siniwan nila.
Yes. Okay. Sige. Ready? Ay, joke. Mamatay yun. Hindi naman tayo sabihin na. Okay. Ready? Head down. Kikay.
Take it